This is Force 13, and just a reminder that within the next couple of hours we're going live on the main channel for another day of Force 13's 2018 week. However, Tropical Cyclone Formation Alert has been issued by the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre for Invest 97P. And this is a look at the Himalaya 8 satellite view, Solomon Island region. Formation of a significant tropical cyclone is possible, and available data at this point in time does not justify issuance of a numbered tropical cyclone warnings. Winds in the area estimated to be 28 to 33 knots, and a METSAT imagery indicates that a circulation centre is located near 10.9 degrees south, 154.6 degrees east. And this is the life of the system up to a few hours ago, and the Invest 97P located 333 nautical miles west of Honiara, tracking southwest. The potential for the development of a significant tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours is high, and if 97P does reach tropical cyclone status, it could have the name of Mona. Here's the first chart from the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre, and on calculating other information provided by the Australian Bureau of Meteorology, it could be within the range of the Bureau of Meteorology's Willis Island station sometime tonight. Animated enhanced infrared satellite imagery and a 89 gigahertz image depicts a low-level circulation with formative low-level banding wrapping into the centre and scattered flaring deep convection. Environmental analysis shows favourable conditions with low to moderate 15 to 20 knot vertical wind shear, excellent poleward outflow, and conducive sea surface temperatures 30-32 degrees Celsius. Now we have a look at various models, and we start off with the EPS tracker guidance. When viewing non-official weather sources, caution needs to be applied. The picture does change. And as I've mentioned previously in an update on this system, if the system was to remain strong, it would definitely be a south-southeasterly track. If it remains very weak, it would track closer to Cape York. Now we have a look at the NOAA floaters late cycle track guidance. Multiple models indicate gradual development within the next 12 to 24 hours and agree on a southwest trajectory in the near term. Maximum sustained surface winds estimated 28-33 knots, and minimum sea level pressure is estimated around 1007 millibars. And repeating, the potential for the development of a significant tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours remains high. Now we have a look at instability from 7 AM through to 10 AM tomorrow, and it looks like more severe thunderstorm activity is possible for this afternoon into tomorrow. Supercell probabilities. The entire Gulf and Carpentaria region Darwin, right down to the Northern Territory WA border, Kalanoa, and down along the Queensland coast, possibly down to the Victorian New South Wales border. Now this is storm probability, and the main area of interest is the top right hand corner where Invest 97P is currently located. Papua New Guinea Weather Service at this point in time has no warnings in place, and you clearly see how the picture changes when you look at the small area in purple. That's intense activity. Now this is another look at the life of the system. This is one of two satellite images. The Pivotal Weather website, it's a GFS model, and we're looking at total accumulated precipitation. The scale is at the bottom of the screen, and look at that area in yellow through to dark brown. And there is a trough on the radar. Now we have a look at the Fiji Meteorological Services service chart, and possible area of interest to the east of where 97P is currently located. And we go back to the BSCH website. It's the precipitation, the values at the bottom of the screen, left hand corner. Each of these images are free hourly, and you can clearly see the area of interest, 97P. Force 13 will continue to bring the latest information on the developing tropical system, Invest 97, and here's another look at the tropical cyclone formation probability guide, and you can clearly see the area to the, let's say, northwest, west-northwest of 97P. Finally, a look at various models. It's the HWRF, and the last one is the GFS. The HWRF was indicating a Category 5 system, but it remains to be seen what intensity the system gets.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name, Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.